Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how to be resilient. Resiliency is very important to achieve success in life. It's very great topic and I love it very much. I feel enough joy to share it with you. Resilience appears to be a class of phenomenon resulting good outcomes despite serious threats to adaptation or development, and results from the operation of basic human adaptive systems, as Marston has said in 2001. It is the capacity to bounce back from adversity, uncertainty, and failure, or even with positive and wonderful changes like increased interest and responsibilities, as Lufthansa and USAP said in 2004. It is a positive way of coping with dangers or distress. Ability to recuperate from stress, conflict, failure and change. Kuntu identified three characteristics of resilient people: as a staunch acceptance of reality, a deep belief, and often buttressed by strongly held values that life is meaningful, and an uncanny ability to improve. So resiliency comes from self-confidence, self-awareness. The literature review suggests that it is past to present focused and provides recovery from unfavorable events and maintains or extends the status quo. Many of us, when fails, what do we do? We normally either leave it or we try it again. So when we try it, few people are there who are very resilient. They try it hard. They know failures, no problem. They learn from the failures and then try hard again and with full force, and they get success. It can be developed through training-based interventions. Resilient people can go through setbacks and burnout situations reasonably well. They can adapt to those situations. They may even bounce back to higher levels of performance, as I was telling, finding new meaning of life and values. Or I feel that we will have to succeed. Even if we fail, we will have to try again. Certainly we will be bouncing back. So resilience has a clear impact on performance and can be measured, and it can be developed at the individual level. People with good emotional health possess ability to bounce back from adversity, trauma, stress. One of the key factors in resilience is the ability to balance stress and emotions. Controlling stress and emotions. Psychologists define resilience as the process of adapting well in the face of adversity. Process of adapting well in the face of adversity, trauma, tragedy, threats or other significant stressful situations, as told in APA.org. This quality can be improved by increasing awareness and consistent practice. So, what action should we then take? What action should you then take up to improve resiliency? Resiliency is very important for success. First thing is, accept resiliency is the most important to live well. Resiliency is most important. So believe that suffering is part of life and everyone fails. Suffering is nothing new to you. Be able to focus what you can change and what you cannot. It should be clear to you. Be careful to check what you are doing is going to help you or harm you. As said by Lucky Hon, social science researchers in TED Talk. It's I think people should listen to this type of TED Talks. Build your strength through healthy habits and believe in your abilities. Build your strength through healthy habits and it will increase your confidence, and you will like to bounce back in case of failure. So be flexible and optimistic. Have courage to face challenges. Regret is worse than challenges. Love the habit of cultivating relationships. As said by Dr. Susan David in a TED Talk, support of others can strengthen resiliency. Because if others support, normally one will like to go ahead again. Discomfort is part of meaningful life. Accept it. Be aware what your emotions are indicating to you. Change is part of life. Embrace change. Develop problem-solving skills. Establish goals and try hard to achieve your goals. Read good blogs like verywellmind.com. Foster your wellness by practicing mindfulness, avoiding negative outlets. Embrace healthy thoughts. Learn from past. Seek help when required. Find benefits from past challenges. Benefits from past challenges will improve your mood, will improve your adaptability, your capacity, your capability. And find the silver lining. Yes, even if something going wrong, there is chance to go ahead. There is possibility of bright future. Think time will change. Never quit unless you succeed. Never quit trying. Know why you need to overcome challenges and try your best to overcome the challenges you face. So to think again what we should do. What is resilience? Resilience is the capacity to bounce back from adversity, uncertainty and failure with positive and wonderful changes. It is positive way to cope with dangers, ability to overcome stress, conflict, disease and change. So it is a positive way to cope with dangers. Sometimes we encounter dangers. That does not mean that we will come back. No, we will study the situation and again we will fight it with full force. Ability to overcome stress, conflict, disease and change. It is past to present focused and provide recovery from unfavorable events. It shows clean impact on performance. It can be enhanced by acting in specific way. Resilient people accept reality, strong values and demonstrate a good emotional health. So know what is resilience, why it is required and try to practice as we have discussed above. Every point is important and you are certainly going to be very, very admirable performer. Resilience is the key to performance. So wish you good life. Thank you.